I'll show you how to duplicate a listing and make sure it has the exact same ASIN. So a lot of people duplicate listings and it has a different ASIN, which means your reviews don't transfer over, but you want to make sure you duplicate your listing. Maybe you want one FBM, one FBA. You're going to go to manage inventory, and then you're going to go all the way over here and you're going to click add another condition. So you're going to click on this, and that's going to take you to this page where you can actually add another condition. It's going to be the same exact ASIN, right? Heads up, this product is already in your inventory. But this one, we're going to change it to fulfilled by Amazon, and it's going to have a little bit of a different SKU. Maybe this one is called FBM123. We're going to call this one FBA123. So we're like, okay, we have an FBA listing. So if we run out of inventory at Amazon, we've got backup, right? And a lot of people do that. You can put a price $99.99, put it as new. Battery. Yeah, there's no battery. Right? And then you're going to click ready to submit, and then you submit it. You wait around, usually it takes 20 minutes, maybe an hour. And then all of a sudden your listing is showing up, and it's going to look just like this, where you can see they both have the same exact ASIN. Now the F and SKU can't be the same, but it's going to have the same ASIN. And look, you see we have one that's FBM and we have one that's FBA. So we are ready to go. If we run out of FBA inventory, we can turn on our FBM inventory and have our inventory at our house, start to ship, or at the warehouse, whatever you want to do. But this is how you can actually duplicate your listing with the same ASIN, so the reviews do stick no matter what you're doing. And that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, just feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.